It's a hurting feeling.
Yeah.
It's a hurting feeling when you're in a room full of people and you feel alone. It's a hurting feeling when you around society and when you speak, nobody really understands you because they so caught up into social media and they so caught up in the reality television. It's difficult being around individuals when that's really what they care about.
Right.
I care about that. When I meet people that share similar interests, it's refreshing, it's beautiful. I can't be wrong because this person feel like me.